Do you want to manage your Facebook and Instagram pages all together in one place for free? Using Meta Business Suite, formerly known as Business Manager, is a great way to manage everything on your Facebook and Instagram accounts, from notifications, messages, scheduling posts, creating ads, and viewing your insights, so you can save time and stay on top of your social media strategy. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to set up your Meta Business Suite account and make the best use of it for your tourism business. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected. Open your Facebook business page on your desktop and go to Linked Accounts. You can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page here by logging into your Instagram when prompted. Now you can create your Meta Business Suite account. First, go to business.facebook.com/overview and hit Create Account. Now, fill out your company name, email address, and your own name here. You can view and manage all of your likes, comments, and message notifications from both your Facebook and Instagram accounts here. Your inbox is where you can view all of your private messages as well as comments on your posts, and then you can respond to them all in one place. You can also set up your automated responses in the inbox section as well. These are great for letting people know when your business is closed and you can't reply to their queries. You can add a message here to let your customers know your opening hours or alternative ways to contact your business. For example, thank you for your message. Sorry we missed you. Our opening hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. We will get back to you as soon as possible. You can schedule your Facebook and Instagram posts and stories all through Meta Business Suite as well, completely for free. You can use the calendar to plan ahead and decide what you want to publish across both platforms. You'll be able to see all of your stories and posts scheduled all in one place. You can create a post within Meta Business Suite to share to both your Facebook and Instagram all at once by clicking here. Select the platforms you want to post to and upload your images or videos. You can upload up to 10 images in your carousel on Instagram. Because carousels are interactive, your followers spend more time looking at them than a single image. This tells Instagram that your followers find your content interesting and valuable, so it'll show it to more people. Business Suite also allows you to add your location and hashtags to your post when you're writing your caption. Hashtags are also important. If a person is searching for a topic such as hiking in Ireland, and your post has hashtag hiking in Ireland on it, your hiking tours business is more likely to be discovered. Adding a location allows your tourism business to be found when customers are looking for an area to visit. You also have the option to post now or schedule your post for later. Scheduling in advance saves you from having to remember to post every day, so you can get back to running your tourism business. When you're scheduling your posts, you can choose the date and time for each account, so they can reach your separate audiences. Meta Business Suite is a great place to look at an overview of your page insights. You can view and analyze your page performance from reach and impressions to content and your audience insights. This helps you to understand what your customers like and what their potential buying habits are. Having everything you need to manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts in one easy-to-use dashboard saves you time and money that you can give back to your business. In other videos, we will cover how to run a simple ad campaign on Instagram and Facebook and how to analyze your Facebook and Instagram performance. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faltaireland.ie.